There are some dishes that feel less like food and more like a warm hug in a bowl. Rajma Masala is one of those. It's the kind of meal that takes you back to lazy Sunday afternoons, where the whole house is filled with the comforting aroma of spices gently simmering away, the sound of bubbling curry in the kitchen, the promise of a hearty meal that brings everyone together. Rajma isn't just about taste, it's about tradition. It's about patience, love, and the simple joy of slow cooking. As it simmers, it carries with it stories of family tables, laughter, and the comfort of home. And when it's finally ready, served hot with fluffy rice or warm naan, it's more than just food. It's a reminder of how something is so simple can make you feel so full, not just in your stomach but in your heart. So why not give it a try in your own kitchen? Cook it, taste it, and let the flavors tell their story. And when you do, come back and share your experience. I would love to know how Rajma Masala made you feel, because in the end, food is best enjoyed when the story continues with you. Until next time, signing off from Yum Space. Keep cooking, keep smiling, and keep savoring the little joys of food. Have a wonderful day ahead.